we'll discuss question number 19 of exercise 6.3 from NCERT book. Next question. Question is, prove that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, a square has the maximum area. For such type of questions, what we have discussed, what you need to discuss always, first you have to identify few points from the question. What are the few points? Keep in mind what is given. Okay, mark these points. What are first in the given question? Try to identify what is given. Second point, what is to maximize or minimize? What is to maximize or minimize? Okay. Third, try to find in the question what is to prove, what is to prove or find. What is to prove or find? Next, make the function which is to maximize or minimize. Okay. Now, always when the question will be given, which will be when you will form the function, it will have more than one variable. That means it will have two variables or three variables. Now, what will you do? By using given condition, you have to convert this into single variable. You have to convert this into single variable. So now, convert the function. Now, convert the function in single variable by given conditions, by using given conditions. These are the common points which are applicable in every question. Okay, the question we did 17 and 18, that was only in single variable. So these 2 points will not be applicable here. Otherwise, in general, these points are for every question of maxima and minima. Okay, so keep in mind, these are the common point for every question. What is given, what is to maximize or minimize. That means first read the question carefully and try to identify what is given. Okay, next, what is टू मैक्सिमाइज और मिनिमाइज. क्वेश्चन में ये देखने की कोशिश कीजिए क्या चीज मैक्सिमाइज करनी है या फिर क्या मिनिमाइज करनी है. नेक्स्ट, जिस चीज को मैक्सिमाइज या मिनिमाइज करना है उसका फंक्शन फॉर्म कीजिए. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज द एरिया ऑफ सपोज सिलेंडर, surface area of cylinder, so form the function of that. If you have to maximize or minimize the area of volume of the cylinder, then form the function of the volume of the cylinder. Now it will have two or more than two variables. Now by using given condition, जो two variables या three variables आए हैं उनको किस में convert कर दीजिए? Single variable. Okay, now read the 19th question. If we talk about 19th question, read the question. Prove that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, given fixed circle, that means what is given to you? A fixed circle. If circle is fixed, that means what you can say? Its radius is fixed. So what is given here? Circle of radius r, that means capital R is constant. So what you can say in this question? Given circle of radius capital R. Okay. Now, of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, a square has the maximum area. Means किस चीज को maximize करना है? Area. What is to maximize? Area. That means suppose this is the center. If you will draw the rectangles here, कुछ rectangles की कहानी यही होगी. Rectangles ऐसे ही बनेंगे नहीं बनेंगे? So these are suppose in general rectangles यही बनेंगे. For our comfort zone, हमने length को ले लिया 2x और width को ले लिया 2y. It is not compulsory, you can take x and y. Okay. Now, what we are to maximize or minimize? Area of this rectangle. So what is maximize or minimize? Maximize क्या करना है हमें? area of rectangle. Is it okay or not? Second point. Second point clear? What is third point? What is to prove? Find. Prove that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, square has the maximum area. Means when you will maximize the area of this rectangle, it will become square. What is the condition for square? All four sides equal. That means length equal to width. That means what we need to prove? 2x is equals to 2y, or you can say x is equals to y. That means if we say to prove, what is to prove? To prove x is equals to y. Is it okay or not? Getting these 5 points are very important for every question of NCERT. Okay, for both point of view, you can say for JEE also. Okay, now next, make the function which is to maximize or minimize. किसके एरिया को मैक्सिमाइज करना है हमें? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. So what will be area of rectangle? Length into width. What is length? 2x. What is width? 2y. Try to grab the concept here. So make the function which is to maximize or minimize. So area of a rectangle equals to what? 2x into 2y. Is it okay or not? Yes. Now, how many variables it have? Two variables. Because length change होगी, width भी change होगी. What is here? आप rectangles को change कर सकते हैं ना. Suppose this is the rectangle. Then कुछ लेंथ और width कुछ और होगी. सपोज मैंने ये रेक्टेंगल लिया, अब लेंथ और width कुछ और होगी. आपने ये रेक्टेंगल लिया, अब लेंथ और width कुछ और होगी. So what if both lengths and widths are variable? So how many variables it have? Two variables. Now what is next point? By using given condition, what is given condition here? Radius r. So कुछ ऐसे डायग्राम में चीजें क्रिएट कीजिए कि that will involve both the variables and radius r. Now if we draw the perpendicular from here, what we have studied? Bisects. This is called, so perpendicular bisects. That means this is 2y, so this will be y only. This is what? If you see, look here, if this is perpendicular, this is 2x, so this will be x, so this will also be x or not? And what is here? This is what? Your r, radius. So say this point is P. So what is OPB in triangle OPB? Now we have to convert it to single variable now. So what is here? Now in triangle OPB, what is here? R square is equals to x square plus y square. So you can say y is equals to square root of r square minus x square. So what is here? If we say area, A is equals to 4x into square root of r square minus x square. Now how many variables are there in the function? Only one variable. Capital R is constant because it is given. Now हमारे लिए simple function बन गया. Now it can be maximized or minimized. How? We will find critical points. How will we find critical points? First derivative test, f dash x equals to 0. We will find critical points. Then second derivative test. In such type of questions, always go for second derivative test. It is much comfortable as compared to first derivative test. So it is what? We will find double derivative and put the point. If f double dash x is greater than 0, point of minima, less than 0, then point of maxima, and equals to 0, f double dash. No derivative. Second derivative test fails. To conclude, we have to use first derivative test. But in such type of questions, it will never be f double dash equals to 0. Okay. So now a dash find करें. What will be a dash? We can apply product rule. ठीक है. We will see short trick for this also. अभी हम log method पे जा रहे हैं. Later on we will see कि हम इसको थोड़ा सा simplify कैसे कर सकते हैं. So it is what? 4 into product rule. First into second. So x as it is, what will be its differentiation? 1 upon 2 root r square minus x square into minus 2x plus root r square minus x square as it is into 4. Okay. Now what will we do? This a dash should be equals to 0 for critical points. ठीक है. पहले थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. ये 2 के साथ 2 चला गया. It will be 4x square. So a dash, just take common. What is a dash equals to? ठीक है, what will be a dash? A dash क्या होगा? If you take root r square minus x square is LCM. Root r square minus x square is LCM. So what is here? Minus 4x square. Minus 4x square. It will be multiplied here. So it will be what? Plus 4r square minus 4x square. Okay, so it is what? A dash equals to 4r square minus 8x square upon square root of r square minus x square. Now for critical points, what will you do? For critical points, what is here? For critical points, a dash equals to 0. When you put a dash equals to 0, this denominator will be into 0. So what it will be? 4r square equals to minus 8x square. Sorry, 4r square minus 8x equals to 0. That means 8x square is equals to 4r square. 4 to the 8. So x square is equals to r square upon 2. So x is equals to, वैसे तो plus minus r upon root 2 आना चाहिए, but x is what? Let. So it will be only r upon root 2. यहाँ पे हम कॉमन मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं, मैक्सिमम लोग वो x निकालने के बाद वो चले जाते हैं y के ऊपर कि सर x r upon root 2 आ गया तो y भी r upon root 2 आ गया. What is common mistake here? Say this is equation 1. What common mistake students do? What is y is equals to, वो r निकाल देते हैं x की वैल्यू पुट करके, y is equals to minus r square upon 2. Well, we will take LCM. 2r square minus r square is r square upon 2. So it is also r upon root 2. What we say, sir, x is equals to y is equals to r upon root 2 आ गया, हमें यही तो प्रूव करना था. What is problem here? What is to maximize? Area of rectangle. Did we maximize the area of rectangle? नहीं. तो यहां जो कॉमन मिस्टेक हो जाती है जल्दबाजी में, that is what? So first we have to maximize the area. Now it depends on you. You can go for first derivative test and second derivative test, but what we will prefer? Second derivative test. ठीक है, थोड़े से complicated रहेंगे, but you have to have patience. Okay, so we'll find a double dash. We will see simpler method for this also. When इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हो तो हम कैसे उनको simplified format में कर सकते हैं. Okay, so a double dash. To find a double dash, what will you do? Product rule? Sorry, divisor rule. So denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator is minus 16x. R is constant, so 4r square will be 0. So 0 minus 16x minus numerator as it is 4r square minus 8x square into 1 upon 2 root r square minus x square into minus 2x whole upon what? r square minus x square. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना है. जनरली what happens? We lose patience here और जल्दबाजी में कुछ भी कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखोगे तो बहुत इजीली क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. देखने में बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगेगा, बट यहां से आगे पेशेंस रखोगे तो बहुत इजीली क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होगा. जस्ट यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट. लाइक लुक हियर. नाउ हमें चेक इस पे करना है ना, वैल्यू पुट करके देखना हमेशा एक टर्म जीरो हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. When you put x is equals to r upon root 2, that will be x square is equals to r square upon 2. Look here. When you put here x square is equals to r square upon 2, so it is 4r square minus 4r square. ये पूरा टर्म जीरो हो गया. देखने में कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा था, बट ये पूरा टर्म क्या हो गया? जीरो. और हमारा मोटिव क्या है? जस्ट टू चेक वेदर a डबल डैश इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो और स्मॉलर देन जीरो. यही तो हमारा मोटिव है. इफ इट इज स्मॉलर देन जीरो, एरिया विल बी मैक्सिमम. इफ इट इज लेस देन जीरो, देन इफ इट इज स्मॉलर देन जीरो, एरिया विल बी मैक्सिमम. ग्रेटर देन जीरो, एरिया विल बी मिनिमम. सो a डबल डैश, वी आर फाइंडिंग a डबल डैश एट x is equals to r upon root 2. What it will be? A double dash at x is equals to r upon root 2 equals to. Look here, ये टर्म पूरा जीरो हो गया. Now साफ साफ दिख रहा है r square minus x square, r square minus r square upon 2 will give you r square upon 2. This is positive. ये नेगेटिव है या नहीं? So it will give what? नेगेटिव. चाहो तो एक स्टेप लिख लीजिए. So square root of r square minus r square upon 2 into -16 r upon √2. Is it okay or not? अपॉन में r स्क्वायर माइनस r स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. चाहो तो ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, यहां पे रूट बच जाएगा. ओके, सो बच जाएगा. सो व्हाट इज हियर? इट इज लेस देन 0 और नॉट? It is less than 0. So what you can say? Therefore, area is maximum at x is equals to r upon √2. We are doing here further. Now, our motive is completed. Area is maximum. Now, what is to prove here? X equals to r upon √2. Now, use equation 1 from 1. What is? Y is equals to square root of r square minus x square. So, y is equals to square root of r square minus r square upon 2. So, it will be what? R square upon 2. So, what is? Y is equals to r upon √2. So, what is here? It is equals to x. So, what is? What? We started with area of rectangle. और ये area of rectangle क्या हुआ? Maximum. और जब ये area of rectangle maximum है, in that case x is equals to क्या आ रहा है? Y. So, this is what? This should be what? Square. That means रेक्टेंगल का एरिया मैक्सिमम तभी होगा जब वो क्या बन जाएगा? स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट वाज क्वेश्चन? रीड द क्वेश्चन वंस अगेन. प्रूव दैट ऑफ ऑल द रेक्टेंगल्स इंस्क्राइब्ड इन अ गिवन फिक्स्ड सर्कल, स्क्वायर हैज द मैक्सिमम एरिया. नाउ वी हैव प्रूव्ड स्क्वायर हैज द मैक्सिमम एरिया.